In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock a file in Dropbox, a handy feature when you want to ensure your work remains uninterrupted and safeguarded from unwanted edits. Let's get started by learning how to lock a file efficiently. First, sign into Dropbox on the web by heading over to Dropbox.com and navigate to the All Files section. This is your primary space where you'll find and manage your documents. Now, to lock a file, it's important to note that the file must be part of a shared folder or be a shared document itself. When you locate the file, hover your cursor over it until you see the familiar ellipsis icon, represented by 3 dots, which indicates More Options. A click here opens a list where you'll choose Activity. Within this menu, you'll spot the Lock Editing option. Clicking on this will effectively lock the file for editing. If you're using the Dropbox desktop application, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. Navigate to your Dropbox folder and right-click on the file you wish to lock. In the resulting menu, select Lock Editing. It's a quick way to ensure your file remains secure. Once you have successfully locked the file, here's what happens next. Anyone else with access to this file, and yes, even those with editing permissions, will now be restricted to viewing or leaving comments only. They won't be able to make any edits to the file's content. This ensures that the integrity of your work is maintained while you're focusing on it. And don't worry, there's no endless locking here. You, the person who locked the file, can unlock it at any time. And if you're in a team setting, a team admin also has the ability to unlock files as needed. Let's now explore how to unlock your file once your editing is complete. You'll want to return to the file and again, hover over it. Click on the More Options menu. Select Activity as you did before, but this time you'll choose Unlock Editing. This action will restore full access, allowing team members with permissions to edit the file once again. For team admins needing to unlock a file that someone else has locked, you'll need to navigate a slightly different path. Use the admin console. Upon entering the console, go to Content and then Locked Files. Here, you can select any locked file and choose Unlock to release it from its protected state. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage file access within Dropbox, ensuring your collaborative projects remain efficient and your important documents are protected while you're working on them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other Dropbox features that can enhance your productivity.